Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see Steam stats and most played games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Hover your mouse over the Store option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Charts. This section is where Steam compiles all the most valuable data about game popularity and player activity across the platform. Once you click on Charts, you'll immediately see the most played games along with real-time stats showing how many players are currently online. This gives you a snapshot of what's trending right now in the gaming community and which titles are dominating the platform at any given moment. If you want to explore more detailed rankings, click on See All 100 Most Played. This will expand the list and give you access to a comprehensive ranking of the top games on Steam. As you browse through the results, you'll notice two key metrics for each game. The current players count shows how many people are playing right now, while Peak Today displays the highest number of concurrent players the game reached earlier in the day. These numbers help you understand not just popularity, but also when games are most active. Now take a look at the left panel. Here you'll find additional filtering options, including weekly charts, month charts, and best of year. Click on these categories to explore how game rankings shift over different time periods. This feature is particularly useful if you want to track trends or discover games that have sustained popularity over weeks or months rather than just a momentary spike. Alternatively, if you want to see your personal Steam stats and most played games, head back to the upper left corner and click on Library. This shifts the focus from global stats to your own gaming history. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all the games in your library. Click on any game you want to see detailed stats for, and you'll be presented with key information including when you last played it, your total playtime, and any achievements you've unlocked. This personal tracking helps you understand your own gaming habits and see which titles you've invested the most time in. And that's it, you've now learned how to check both global Steam stats and your personal gaming data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.